Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha, and on today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the 2019 January Boxycharm. I received mine in the mail and I'm super excited to show you guys a look and the items I received on this box. Hopefully this time around we have a hit and not a miss. Boxycharm sometimes can be a hit and sometimes it can be a miss. So today we're going to be seeing what we got, doing a look. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys keep on watching. And if you guys are wondering I can't even talk. And if you guys are wondering why my lips look so red and plump, I use this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I haven't used this in a while and this is the only lip balm I could find, so this is why my lips look like that. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, so this is the Boxycharm box. We did not get boxy looks this time around, so in case you guys are wondering, I got the regular one. I believe the other one will come around March, I believe. I'm not sure though. So once you open it up, this is the theme of this month and it says boxy and chill. So this is what it looks like. I really like the colors, really pretty. I cannot wait for the springtime. And then once you open it up, this is the overview of the products we get. So today's video, we're going to be creating a glam, really natural look. I mean, not natural because the lip product is going to be really bold, but we're just going to be creating a really pretty, easy look you can all recreate at home. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with using the mask that we got, and I'm super excited to try this mask out. So I got the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Everybody loves this spray, or the spray version of this, especially if you have normal to dry skin. I have oily skin, but I'm still going to try this out. So we get a 2-pack and they retail for $24, and Tatcha is a really expensive, luxurious mask. So overall, in general, this box is already worth it because Tatcha is such a good, expensive brand. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my skin. So it says apply mask and smooth to fit comfortably, leave on for 15 minutes, and then peel off and massage remaining serum into your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. So this is just supposed to hydrate your skin, and it has Japanese anti-aging green tea, rice, and just a bunch of good things for your skin. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh wow, there's a lot of serum, and you guys, we don't want to waste any of this serum because this mask is expensive. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put this all over my skin. It feels super nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my timer on my phone for 15 minutes and then I'll be right back. So I am back, and as you guys can see, my skin is literally glowing. It looks amazing. I really liked it. It feels really hydrated and just moisturized. So I'm glad we received 2 of them instead of 1 so I can keep using it. So we're gonna move on to our eyes. I did my eyebrows off camera to save you guys some time. And for our eyes today, I went ahead and received the Tarte High Performance Neutrals Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. This is an eyeshadow palette. This is my first time trying a Tarte eyeshadow palette. It's not something I really gravitate towards. I don't know, it's just not my thing. So let's see what the colors look like. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. So it's just really pretty neutral tones shadows. I mean, it's something I will definitely not pay $36 for, but I'm glad we got it here so we can try Tarte's eyeshadow formula. Looking at it more closely, there is no mattes at all, so I guess I'm just gonna create a really shimmery, just neutral eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started by just applying this color right here, and this is called Compass, and I'm just gonna apply this. Oh wow, they are really pigmented. I'm just gonna apply this on my lid to make it less vibrant. I'm gonna go in with Jewel, I think that's how you say it. It's this one right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it right on top of it because that one was a little bit too bright for my liking. Okay, and then that's pretty much all we're gonna do for eyes today. This is a super simple makeup look, so todas las personas que me han preguntado to do a really natural look, here you go. Super natural, super easy to do. You literally just grab your finger, pop it on, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna move on to applying some mascara. I'm gonna be using the Superhero by IT Cosmetics. We got this, I believe, 3 months ago in our Boxycharms. I have to go and get a new one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. We also got a liner right here. This one is from Star Looks. It's called the Black Ultra Looks Longwear Eye Pencil. I'm gonna use this to tightline my lash line. It's just gonna make your lashes look 10 times more black, and it's just gonna make you look like you have fuller lashes. So once you open it up, it's the ones that you twist out, not the ones you have to sharpen. So I'm hoping it's gonna be black. Let me warm it up in the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna tightline my eye. It looks painful, but it's not, I promise. See, it just makes your lashes look just more black and more full. Guys, so the eyes are done. It's literally so simple. I do like this palette. It's something I probably will just use to highlight my inner corners with. It's not something I'll just gravitate towards on an everyday use, but you know, it's nice, it's cute, and we just got it in our Boxycharm. So we're gonna move on to our face. I did end up getting a primer. Again, this is for dry skin people or more normal skin tones, but I'm still gonna try it out for this video. This is the Dr. Brand Pores No More Luminizer Primer. So this one right here, let's see, retails, where are you? And I will tell you guys the price, but it's not on my little pamphlet. So I believe this probably will retail for $36, and this is definitely for normal to dry skin people because it's luminizing, but I'm still gonna go ahead and test it out today because why not? So I'm gonna apply this probably just on my cheeks, you guys. I do have oily skin, and this is definitely just a luminizing primer. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like on. It's definitely tacky, so I feel like my foundation is gonna go on nicely, and it is kind of pore blurring but mostly illuminating. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation off of camera, concealer, bronze, all that good stuff, and then we will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back, and as you guys can see, I went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup. I am in love how everything looks like. Honestly, my skin, like the foundation and everything, went on really beautiful. So I don't know if it's the sheet matte that I use or the actual primer, but I really do like how my face makeup looks like. Even though it says illuminizer, you can still use it if you have oily skin. I don't know about the long wear effect, but it does look pretty matte right now. So we're gonna move on to finishing our eyes. I was thinking we can use the same palette to highlight, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna grab the lighter shade, this one in Compass, the same one we use, and I'm gonna apply this in my inner corners. And keep in mind, my brush is not even wet, and they go on super pigmented and really pretty as well. And I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my nose. By the way, I went ahead and added lashes. As you guys can see, I just cannot do anything without lashes. I have to have lashes. These are the Salon Perfect, what are they called? S15 something 15. What are they called? They used to be my old time like favorite one. 615, that's what they're called. I used to wear this in high school like every single day, but you know, we upgraded and now we wear really big full lashes. But moving on, you guys, we also received this hair product, which I'm not gonna apply on my hair right now because I just barely straightened it and I don't want to dirty it. But this is a Briogeo, I think that's how you say it, reparative leave-in conditioning spray, and it just to restore your hair and just make it softer. So I'm definitely gonna use this once I wash my hair and stuff, but for now we're not gonna use it. And last but not least, we got liquid lipsticks. These are the new Ofra packaging, which I really like. I have the old ones right here. Let me go ahead and get one. So this one right here is the old packaging, so they are giving you a new lip product. So this is the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in Havana Nights. It looks like a really pretty color, which is why I decided to go with this shirt. And this one right here retails for $20, and it's a matte liquid lipstick, which we appreciate. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. The only dark shade I could find that can go with this one is the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Blushing. So I'm just gonna line my lips with that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it, and let me smell it really fast. Oh, it smells like Hobby Lobby. That's what exactly it smells like. I'm just gonna apply this on my lips. And Ofra liquid lipsticks actually do have a really nice formula, so I'm excited that we got a darker color. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished everything. I'm honestly loving this lip color. It matches my shirt perfectly. In case you guys are wondering, this shirt I got it from OTD Fash like a year ago, so it's probably not even there. That being said, you guys, honestly I really like this month's Boxycharm. I feel like this one was definitely a hit. Let me know in the comments below what you guys got, if you guys got the same things, and let me know how you guys feel about it. I'm definitely gonna be keeping pretty much everything because I just love everything that I got for the first time ever. There's nothing that I'm giving away to a family member, so I'm excited for this month's Boxycharm, like I said. So yeah, let me know how you guys feel about this makeup, about the box this month. And yeah guys, thank you all so much for taking time of your day to watch this video. I really hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.